Japanese learners. There are a total of 46 hiragana. I will show you the hiragana chart now. I'm going to read it out loud to the rhythm of the metronome. There are also 46 pictures and Japanese words. So if you master this chart, you will be able to read all hiragana, learn how to pronounce them, and memorize 46 Japanese words at the same time. This is a short video, but if you repeat it 100 times or 200 times, you will surely master it. This hiragana chart can be downloaded free of charge. The URL is in the summary section. Are you ready?
あ、アヒル、い、犬、う、牛、え、エビ、お、オウム、か、カメ、き、キリン、く、クワガタ、け、ケイト、こ、コイ、さ、サイ、し、シマウマ、す、スズメ、せ、セミ、そ、そば、た、タコ、ち、ちくわ、つ、つみき、て、手袋、と、とんぼ、な、なす、に、にんじん、ぬ、布、ね、猫、の、のこぎり、は、はす、し、人手、ふ、風船、へ、へび、ほ、本、ま、豆、み、みかん、む、虫、め、メロン、も、桃、や、や、ゆ、ゆり、よ、ヨット、ら、ラッパ、り、リボン、る、ルアー、れ、レモン、ろ、ろうそく、わ、ワニ、お、絵を描く、ん、カバン。
Well done! Now, it is time to practice. There is no audio guide in Japanese this time. Let's test your skills. Look at the pictures and try to vocalize Japanese words as well as hiragana if possible. Are you ready? Good job! Excellent! Please do not forget to practice over and over again. I'll be creating more and more content that will help you learn Japanese, so please subscribe to my channel and click the good button.